years. I have been searching for a revolutionary solution that would bring us into a new era of intelligent cleaning. And now the future of cleaning is here. Self-emptying, self-washing, and even self-drying after the task. Hey Siri. The integration of voice control provides unparalleled convenience. The 5,000 suction power and a spin-power mopping system, rotating 160 times per minute. Wait, there's more. The upgrade to the LiDAR sensor ensures utmost precision and accuracy, making it possible to navigate and focus in every corner of your home with ease. Additionally, the built-in carpet sensor provides superior cleaning solutions for carpet. Autonomous, innovative, and epoch-making, the Ultenic MC1 is truly the future of clean.